Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V40s, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top, extend the list right here and find the toggle, which looks to not be enabled by default. So in this case, we're just gonna press right here on this pencil and find it somewhere in here. Oh, and there we go. So there it is. You can just grab it by holding it and then dragging it over to the top, drop it and go back. Now you should have it accessible in your list. So it's right over here. Now you can also hold it right here once it's added, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. So you can choose a schedule. You can enable who can, or set up who can message you and call you, also what apps can bypass this mode, alarms and other interruptions, and so on. Set it up the way you want it, and then close it and enable it whenever you need to by simply tapping on a toggle like this. And that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.